Okay, August 9th, 2011, this is my setup. I've got a Seaford box painted white with white shields and extra venting. I've got a Texas box with regular venting painted tan. Then I've got a Texas box painted white with the regular venting. Then I have a Texas box with extra venting painted white. And then the last box is a Texas box with extra venting painted white with white shields. Okay, this is the back of the boxes, and you can see the one on the end here has a back shield, a top shield, a side shield, and also a front shield. You probably don't need the front shield if this is pointed east, but I put it on here just for the test purposes. And take a look at the spacing here. There's plenty of spacing here. You can see on the ground the shadows. The point of this is just to show that there's no shade from one box hitting the next box.
Okay, August 9th, 2011, doing another test, checking gauges. I've got 88.7, 88.9, 88.7, 88.3, 88.7, and 88.5. August 9th, 2011, doing a temperature check. It's 1 p.m. Ambient is 91.8. The white Seaford box with white shields and extra venting is 93.7.
The Texas box with regular vents and tan color is 93.6. The Texas box with regular venting white color is 94.6. The Texas box with extra venting white color is 94.1. The Texas box white color with extra venting and white shields is 93.6.
August 9th, 2011, doing a temperature check. It's 2 p.m. Ambient is 93.2.
Seaford box, white color with white shields and extra venting is 96.6. The Texas box with regular venting and tan color is 96.3. The Texas box with regular venting and white color is 97.0. Texas box with extra venting white color is 96.4, and the Texas box white color, extra venting and shields, white shield is 95.4.
Okay, we're doing a temperature check. It's August 9th, 2011, 3 p.m. Ambient is 92.8.
The Seaford white box with light shield and extra venting is 98.1. The Texas box with regular venting and tan color is 97.7. The Seaford box with regular venting and white color is 98.2. The Seaford box with extra venting white color is 97.7. The Seaford white color with white shield and extra venting is 95.9.
Okay, August 9th, 2011, doing a temperature check. It's 4 p.m. Ambient is 93.7. The Seaford white box with light white shields and extra venting is 99.5. The Texas tan box with regular venting is 99.9. The Texas white box with regular venting is 100.6. The Texas box white color with extra venting is 99.7. And the Texas box white color, white shields and extra venting is 97.5.